Aging is a natural process. But what if I told you there's a simple kitchen ingredient that can help slow it down? Yes, garlic. This tiny but mighty superfood has been used for centuries, not just to add flavor to food but to promote longevity and youthful skin. Backed by research, garlic contains powerful antioxidants, fights inflammation, and even boosts collagen production. In this video, we'll explore how garlic works its magic and how you can use it to keep your skin glowing and your body feeling young. Let's dive in. Number 1. Garlic is packed with antioxidants. Aging occurs when our cells experience damage over time due to oxidative stress. This stress is caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that accelerate the aging process. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, particularly allicin, which helps to fight these free radicals. Research has shown that garlic's antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative damage, which contributes to aging. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research supports these findings. To benefit from this, you can add raw or lightly cooked garlic to your meals. Another great way to consume it is by mixing garlic with honey, which provides a powerful antioxidant boost. Number 2. Garlic supports collagen production for youthful skin. Collagen is the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm and free from wrinkles. However, as we age, collagen production slows down, which leads to sagging skin and fine lines. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that play a crucial role in collagen production. These compounds act as a binding agent that helps maintain skin elasticity and youthfulness. Research indicates that the sulfur compounds found in garlic aid in the natural synthesis of collagen, helping to maintain firm and elastic skin. To make use of garlic for collagen production, you can try garlic-infused olive oil as a skin treatment. Simply apply a small amount to your skin to help with hydration and collagen support. Additionally, eating fresh garlic with vitamin C-rich foods, such as oranges and bell peppers, can enhance collagen production. Number 3. Garlic helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Many people want to delay the formation of wrinkles for as long as possible. Fortunately, garlic contains polyphenols, which help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. A study published in Dermatoendocrinology suggests that consuming foods rich in polyphenols, including garlic, can slow down skin aging and help maintain a youthful appearance. To apply this benefit practically, you can create a natural face mask by crushing a garlic clove and mixing it with aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to your face for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off. This simple treatment helps to tighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. Number 4. Garlic detoxifies the body for clear skin. Aging is not just about the appearance of wrinkles. It is also influenced by how well our body functions internally. When toxins build up in the body, they can make us look older than we really are. Garlic acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out harmful toxins and promote clear, radiant skin. Research from the Journal of Nutrition highlights garlic's role in liver detoxification, which supports clearer skin and slows down aging. To take advantage of garlic's detoxifying properties, you can drink warm garlic water with lemon in the morning. This combination helps cleanse your system. Additionally, incorporating garlic into your soups and salads can support daily detoxification. Number 5. Garlic improves blood circulation for a natural glow. One common trait of youthful-looking individuals is their glowing skin. This glow is often the result of good blood circulation, which ensures that oxygen and nutrients reach the skin cells efficiently. Garlic has been found to improve circulation, which contributes to healthier and more vibrant skin. A study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology found that garlic boosts blood flow and helps lower blood pressure, leading to better overall skin health. To improve circulation, you can consume raw garlic regularly or take aged garlic supplements. Another effective method is to use garlic-infused oil as a massage oil. Gently massaging your skin with this oil can help stimulate blood flow and enhance your natural glow. Finally, garlic is not just an ordinary kitchen ingredient. It is a powerful anti-aging remedy. From boosting collagen production and reducing wrinkles to detoxifying the body and improving blood circulation, garlic provides numerous benefits for maintaining youthful skin and overall health. However, the key to seeing results is consistency. By making garlic a regular part of your diet and skincare routine, you can experience its full anti-aging effects. Have you ever tried using garlic for anti-aging? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Until next time, stay healthy and stay youthful. Thanks for watching.